In this video, we are going to learn kung paano mag-solve ng systems of linear equation gamit ang substitution method. Ipapakita ko sa video na ito ang mga steps kung paano mag-solve ng systems of linear equation kapag gumamit tayo ng substitution method. Now, sa pag-solve ng systems of equation, ang goal natin is to find the value of the unknown variable x and y, or the value of any variable that would satisfy the given system. Now, para mas maintindihan natin to, let's have our first example. Para sa ating unang example, solve the system 4x plus y is equal to 6 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 4. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa mga steps sa pag-solve ng system na to, i-label muna natin ang ating equation sa ating given system. So ito yung ating first equation at ito naman yung ating second equation. So sa ating step 1 or sa ating first step, we need to isolate the variable x or y in the first or second equation. The first step, magpili tayo ng equation from our given system wherein ito yung magiging basis natin para i-isolate natin si x or si y. So magpili tayo, is it the first or second? Now in this case, ang pipiliin ko is si first equation kasi mas madali na lang siya. So that means we have 4x plus y is equal to 6. Then, ang next natin gagawin is mag-decide tayo. Okay? Mag-decide tayo. Anong una kong i-isolate? Okay? Si x ba or si y? But of course, kung titingnan natin to, mas madali na lang i-isolate si y. So therefore, para ma-isolate natin si y dito, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-add tayo ng negative 4x on both sides. Okay? Negative 4x on both sides. And that gives me, okay, so that gives me, of course, this is cancelled, and that gives me y is equal to, of course, 6 minus 4x. This is equal to negative 4x plus 6. So, meron na akong value ng y, which is negative 4x plus 6. So, gagamitin ko to para sa aking second step, which is to substitute the value of y in the step 1, ito, okay, gagamitin ko to the second equation, which is 5x plus 3y is equal to 4 to solve for the x. So, gagamitin natin to, yung second equation, we have 5x plus 3y is equal to 4. So, that means we are going to substitute the value of y here. So, i-substitute natin yan. So, we have 5x plus 3 times the value of y is equal to 4. So, let's use other color. So, we need to substitute the entire value of y here na nakuha natin sa ating step 1, which is negative 4x plus 6. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is i-simplify natin to. So, that means we have here 5x. Then, of course, i-distribute natin to. So, 3 times negative 4x, this is equal to negative 12x. Then, we also have 3 times 6. So, this is equal to positive 18. Then, equal to 4. So, dito, ang gagawin natin is we combine the common term. So, we have here 5x minus 12x is equal to negative 7x plus 18 is equal to 4. And of course, we use addition property of equality here. So we need to isolate the x. So we need to add both sides by negative 18. And this gives me, okay, and this gives me negative 7x, of course, this is cancelled, is equal to, of course, 4 minus 18 is equal to negative 14. So, ilagay natin dito. Okay, so we have negative 7x is equal to negative 14. So, of course, to solve for x, ang gagawin natin is to divide both sides by negative 7. Okay, so this is cancelled out. Say, ang matira na lang dito is equal to x is equal to, of course, negative 14 divided by negative 7 is equal to positive 2. So that means, okay, ang value ng x natin is equal to positive 2. Okay? So meron na tayong value ng x. So ang gagawin natin next is to solve for the value of y. And at yan ang step 3 natin na kung saan gagamitin natin ang equation in step 1 to solve for y. So that means gagamitin natin to para ma-solve natin yung value ng y natin. So i-copy lang muna natin to. Y is equal to negative 4x plus 6. Then of course, we just need to plug in the value of x na nakuha natin sa step 2, which is equal to 2 to solve for y. So y is equal to negative 4 quantity plus 6. So we put here, okay, lagay natin ang value ng x natin, which is equal to 2. Then, ang next natin gagawin dito is we simplify, of course. Y is equal to, of course, negative 4 times 2. This is equal to negative 8 plus 6. And therefore, ang y value natin is equal to negative 8 plus 6. This is equal to negative 2. So, meron na tayong value, okay? Meron na tayong value ng x natin, which is equal to 2, and also the value of y, which is equal to negative 2. Now, para makasure tayo na tama yung mga values ng x and y natin, so ang gagawin natin is we are going to check it. So that's our step 4, wherein we are going to check if the values of x and y satisfies the given system. So start muna natin, let's check if yung given value ng x and y natin is mag-satisfy sa both equations. So start muna tayo sa first equation, wherein we have 4x, okay, 4x plus y is equal to 6. So, ang gagawin natin dito is we just simply plug in the value of x and y sa given equation. So, this is 4 times, of course, yung value ng x natin, which is equal to 2, plus the value of y, which is equal to negative 2, is equal to 6. So, i-check natin to kung equal to 6 ba itong nasa left side. So, again, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Positive times negative 2, this is equal to negative 2 is equal to 6. Now, makikita natin that 8 minus 2 is just equal to 6. So, therefore, this is true for the first equation. Now, itry natin sa second equation. So, let's use 5x plus 3y, which is our second equation, is equal to 4. So, i-check natin yan. Let's use the values of our x and y. So, we have 5 times the value of x, which is 2, plus 3 times the value of y, which is negative 2, is equal to 4. So, let's find out if this is equal to 4. So, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Then 3 times negative 2, this is equal to negative 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, 10 minus 6 is just equal to 4, which is equal to 4. So therefore, it satisfies the both, okay, the both equation of the given system. Therefore, para sa ating last step, we make a conclusion that the solution, okay, the solution to the given system is 2 and negative 2. So that's our final answer for the first example. Now let's proceed to our second and last example.